This is what a safe menstrual cup looks like. It's US FDA approved with the certificate that you can cross-reference off the official website, and it's a medical grade cup. And this is what an unsafe cup looks like. It's nameless, FDA approved.
I want to see the receipts.
And yet, you can't reference it from the FDA website, nor can they provide certification for it. It's made out of 100% medical grade silicone.
In the words of Whitney Houston,
The truth is the number.
And yada yada yada. Honestly, it's the trying too hard without the receipts for me. Menstrual cups have gained popularity among women over the past few years, where influential advocates like celebrities, influencers, and users have shared their experiences and love for this revolutionary product. But what menstrual cup users do not realize is that they could be possibly using an unsafe cup that could eventually lead to a lifetime of problems. So what's the difference between a legit menstrual cup and, for the lack of a better term, a fake menstrual cup? Everything. Menstrual cups are made out of silicone, and not just any type of silicone, medical grade silicone. But because silicone is such a common resource and people lie on the internet every single day, silicone manufacturers mass produce unsafe to use menstrual cups in large quantities and then sell them online for really cheap. They'll say their products are made out of 100% medical grade silicone, that they're FDA approved, and yet will never be able to cop out proof for this, in hopes that a business-minded individual will buy them in stock without doing the research, rebrand them, and then sell them to me and you, eventually putting us buyers at risk of serious repercussions such as inflammation, irritation, and even worse, TSS, which could even be fatal. A quick comparison between a fake menstrual cup and a legit menstrual cup will tell you that the fake menstrual cups have a very strong chemical smell, and the material is actually a lot harder as compared to the legit one. But this brand says that their products are made out of 100% safe ingredients. As a menstrual cup user and advocate for over a year now, I highly suggest using US FDA approved menstrual cups because these cups have actually been tested and approved by the FDA to be used for prolonged periods of time. If I'm going to be wearing a cup for over 12 hours, I want to make sure that the products I'm using are 100% safe. I want something that's FDA approved. Unfortunately, our local FDA does not approve menstrual cups. So until then, I'm gonna have to stick to products that are US FDA approved. At the end of the day, I have to choose what's best for me. I've actually talked to women who've used fake, nameless, and cheap cups, and they reported that using it was so unpleasant. They've shared stories of discomfort, not getting along with their cups, and ultimately disliking the experience of using a menstrual cup. So how do I know if I'm using a safe cup? A simple cross-referencing on the FDA website will let you know if the brand that you're using has actually been approved as safe to use. Or if you're thinking about switching to a cup and you don't know which brand to use, you can simply take a test on putacupinit.com and it'll suggest which FDA-approved cup they think is best for you. Or you can check the link below for a list of US FDA-approved menstrual cups. Or you can join a group such as Menstrual Cup PH, where they advocate for the use of safe cups and help women on their journey to better periods. So why am I making such a big deal out of this? First of all, using these cheap, nameless, or rebranded cups is an infringement of intellectual property. These big companies actually spent years and money on finding the best cups for women, and to have another company knock off their hard work for a quick buck is something that I simply cannot support. Buying from FDA-approved companies allows you to have a better customer service experience. As someone who's been using a brand that is super confident and proud in their product, I get to communicate with their customer service all the time. You'd be surprised as to how quick the company is to respond to your needs and to replace you with a new cup if you ever need one. And while legitimate menstrual cups are a bit expensive, I have the assurance that I will never get sick and have to worry about paying super high medical bills. Thousands of women like myself are advocates for the use of safe US FDA-approved menstrual cups because we care for your health and we want you to have the best experience that you could possibly have with your menstrual cup. Using a menstrual cup has been one of the best experiences I've had for myself and for the environment. And I highly encourage anyone and everyone that's interested in it to go forth and try it out. But of course, the safe way. So Bayhanas, if you think that you're using a questionable cup, I highly suggest that you do the research. And if you find out something that concerns you, I think it's time for you to make the change. I've added a list of safe to use cups in the description below. This has been a PSA from your friendly neighborhood menstrual cup wearing Bayhana. I hope that you've been enlightened, educated, and empowered. Make sure to share this video with a menstrual cup wearing Bayhana as well. For more information like this, you can join the Bayhana community group where we love to have discussions because healthy discussions are always welcome discussions. Of course, you can follow me on all my socials. I'm Isatiz. And for more videos like this, make sure that you're following BayTV and Bayhana on YouTube. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Don't forget, knowledge is power. Bye!